How long does it take to activate an unlocked Verizon phone?
Hello and welcome to our video. Today we'll be discussing a frequently asked question. How long does it take to activate an unlocked Verizon phone? It's a straightforward process that shouldn't take more than a few minutes to complete, but it could take longer depending on your specific situation. Let's dive in.
What do you need before activation?
Before activating your unlocked phone with Verizon, make sure you have the following. 1. The unlocked phone. It should be compatible with Verizon's network. It's important to remember that not all unlocked phones can work on every network. 2. Verizon SIM card. If you don't already have one, you can get one from a Verizon store or order it online. 3. Verizon account. You need an active Verizon account to associate with the phone.
How do you activate the phone?
Activating your Verizon phone involves these steps. 1. Insert the SIM card. Insert the Verizon SIM card into your unlocked phone. 2. Follow the device's setup instructions. Every phone has a slightly different setup process. Usually, the phone will guide you through the necessary steps. 3. Call Verizon or use their website. Either call Verizon's activation line, usually *611, or go to their activation page on the website. You'll need to provide information like your account details and the device's IMEI number. Time required. This process usually takes between 5 to 30 minutes, but it could take longer if you need to contact Verizon's customer service for any reason.
What if you run into problems?
If your activation isn't going smoothly, here are a few troubleshooting tips. 1. Check your account status. Ensure your Verizon account is active and in good standing. 2. Restart your phone. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can solve minor problems. 3. Contact Verizon support. If you're still having issues, the best course of action is to contact Verizon's support team. So there you have it. Activating an unlocked Verizon phone is generally a quick and easy process. The majority of activations will take between 5 to 30 minutes, but remember that your mileage may vary based on your specific circumstances. We hope this guide was helpful, and happy activating!